Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have access and logs available, so start by reproducing the error and collecting evidence. Immediately tail the web server error log and the application log while you trigger the failure. This reveals stacked traces and timestamps. Once done, map those timestamps to recent deployments or config edits. Make sure to snapshot current config files and any env variables before changing them, because you'll want to revert if needed. These first steps save time and prevent guessing during later fixes. You'll parse the evidence. If the trace shows permissions, fix file and directory modes and ownership. If it's a dependency or syntax error, reinstall or lint the code. Once you identify the root cause, apply minimal reversible changes and validate them on staging or a local replica. Then perform targeted restarts. Don't reboot the entire host unless necessary, and monitor logs live for new errors. Make sure to clear caches and session stores when relevant, because stale cache can mask or prolong the issue. You're close. Run smoke tests and confirm endpoints return expected status codes and payloads, then re-enable normal monitoring thresholds. If the fix introduced regressions, roll back the last deployment immediately and analyze diffs. After resolution, document root cause and preventive actions like validation, improved error handling, or alerts. If problems persist, a key troubleshooting tip: enable verbose logging and reproduce the error under an isolated environment with identical.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.